What?
A twisty old stairs. Do they dare go up that twisty old stairs? Yes, they dare. What happened?
What happened?
The curtain opened.
Keep going.
One with a little
Three.
three little things.
Let me hear your words. Use your words.
One with a light, one with a stick, one with the scissors. A golden Italian key. It's this big. A giant,
Moving.
a moving wall. Do they get there?
Keep going.
Do they dare?
Will they go
Where will they go in?
through?
Will they go through the wall and go through the hall?
Right.
Yes, they dare.
What happened?
A crocodile!
There's no crocodile. What really happened?
The crocodile bit.
Okay, we've hit the wall.
Crocodile.
All right. 3.
Three little bears. Two
One.
with a light, two with the shivers. Do they
Great.
great? Do they dare go up? Great sleeping bear. Do they dare go in?
Listen, they will.
They're going.
They came into. They. Yes, you do. It's because you're laughing. So let's finish. Do they dare? Are we done? Are we done? Irene, come here.
We're tired.
You're not helping.
I'm sorry, it's funny.
Okay, Irene, let's finish this page. They came into.
Quaggy.
I can't.
They went the quaggy. They went up the old stairs. They go into the quacky old hole.
Okay.
So yes, stay there. Three little bears,
Without.
a light, out a stick, without a rope. Then they all have the shivers.
How?
They get out of the up a ladder, and
Through.
the floor, then slide in the door,
Out.
out the door. Quacky, quacky bears running fast. Quacky wins.
What? What's the last page? Home.
Yeah.
No, come on.
Quacky.
We're
Home again.
Home again.
What's the last one?
Go.
Safe.
Quack and sound.
I think it's time for bed.
You think? Whatever.